we're going to spray some bumper black on the front of this nipple panel or booby panel or whatever it is. I'm going to give you the tip of the day right now with your spray cans. Most of you will get spray cans and say, well, they don't work that good. They don't work that good. It's because you don't have one of these. This right here is a paint mixer. I got it from the company I worked for a couple years ago. They were going to throw it away. The paint mixer holds 1 gallon of paint. Right here in that bucket. It also comes with a little quart can insert right here, which if you can see the bumper black spray paint is already in there, and I put some foam in there. Now we all know that when you get this off the shelf, you don't know how many years this crap's been sitting there. All of the liquid is up in the top and all the solids are down in the bottom, and they've been down there for who knows how many years. The way to make these spray cans work at their very best is to get them shaken up. But nobody will do it past about 1 or 2 seconds or 15 seconds and call it good. So when I had a chance to snap up this machine, I did it. Now the other tip of the day is this, is that if you go into a paint shop and you buy spray cans, you can tell them, look, I want you to shake them up. And they'll have to do it. They got a paint mixer in the back. They don't want to deal with you. But if you can shake these up for 5 or 6 minutes like this, and I was surprised this damn thing even worked. And I hope that doesn't come out, because if it does, it's going to ruin my day, my shirt's day. I hope I parked the car far enough away. But if you leave this in for 5 minutes, and pull it out, it will be so shaken up you won't know what to do with it, and it will spray like butter. So I'm going to put the top down, leave it in there for about 5 minutes, let it shake itself up. Then we're going to go out and put some on that nipple panel out there. But that's the tip of the day. If you're going to buy spray paint, forget about shaking it up by yourself. Okay? Oh, that's a cool looking bee. I like that bee. Look at that. Oh, don't bite me, you bastard. And these will fit with the ordinary size cans. This can is about 3 inches taller, but the ordinary size cans will fit. And what you can also do is you get 3 of these cans, you put duct tape around them, and they'll fit in here perfectly. You can shake them up. If you're in a paint store, ask them to shake up your aerosol cans. If they tell you they don't have the adapter, say, that's no problem, man. I ain't got any money. I'm going to a real paint store. Okay, I'm going to shake this up and we'll see how it goes, see how it flows out.